As the administrator of a Qlik Sense environment, you may find yourself tasked with things such as limiting the cost of your company's Qlik platform, ensuring users experience good performance when viewing applications, verifying that the correct resources are being shared throughout the organization and not hidden by the sprawl of unused assets, and guaranteeing that resources are properly governed and only accessible by the right people. Fortunately, the Datalogz application can help you to manage all of this and more. The tool integrates seamlessly with Qlik Sense and adjusts metadata about your environment that would traditionally only be available via Qlik's various APIs. This metadata then passes through a series of pre-installed monitors that generate alerts concerning any potential security, usage, performance, or cost issues in your Qlik environment. You can also duplicate and modify these monitors to create a custom monitor dashboard that supports you as an administrator. Additionally, if you're using endprinting with your Qlik Sense installation, we also ingest and process metadata from there. Beyond this, the Insights page provides a usual overview of your Qlik Sense environment and contains charts that can help you to pick up on overarching trends, such as license usage rates, peak load times, and underutilized assets. Spotting these trends early lets you act proactively, whether it's deleting unused applications, refreshing apps at more optimal times, or scaling back on unnecessary licenses. By using Datalogz to manage your Qlik Sense environment, you'll see an immediate return on investment and have a leaner, more efficient, and highly governed Qlik environment that's fully optimized for business success.